Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Sagar from Updegree, and now that we have our XAMPP running, we will be installing the DVWA on our XAMPP. Now DVWA stands for Damn Vulnerable Web Application, and you can download it from Google. So just go ahead and search for DVWA. It'll take you to the official website, that's dvwa.co.uk. Just go over there. And here you will see the download link, so right over here. Now what exactly is DVWA? It is a testing environment where you can learn web hacking. So now it has been downloaded. Let's just go ahead and open it. It's right over here. I'll just open this. So you will see DVWA master. What you're gonna do with this folder is you will extract it in the location where you install your XAMPP. So for me it was in C and XAMPP1, and here you will see HTTP docs. So here it is, right? This folder. Just open this up and extract everything right over here. So just extract this thing. So it'll take a second. And here you go, it just got extracted. Now you don't need this archive, just close it. So the name is DVWA-master. I will recommend just rename it to DVWA in lowercase. That's fine. Just open this up and you will find a lot of files in it, right? So there you will see config folder. Just open that up and you will see config.inc.php-dist, right? What you want to do is you want to copy and paste this file as it is. Just copy and paste and then rename this file from dist. Just remove the copy and dist, right? Let me just show you. You are going to make it a PHP file and just click on yes. So now this is config.inc.php. This is the file which we need, right? So now that you have the configuration file, you can open this up. I will open it in Notepad++. You can open it in any text editor you like. I do have some things here. So this is the file. Let me zoom in and you will see we need to fill up DVWA database server. Now the server will be the local host, and this is the localhost IP, so that's really fine. DVWA database, the database user, the database password. Now in XAMPP the default user is root and the default password is blank. So you want to remove this password, it will be blank. And the DVWA database, this is you can create a new database. So I'll just create a new database named DVWA as it is, right? You can give it a new name if you want, but let's create a database. So you want to go on XAMPP. Let me just power on the Apache and MySQL. Let's go on localhost now. And let's go to phpMyAdmin. Here I will create a database. Just click on new and give it a name. I will give it DVWA. Just click on create and you will see that a DVWA named database has been created, right? So first thing first, we have a database ready that's already powered by the user root, and the password for that is blank, right? There is nothing. So that's how you do the configurations. You just want to say save file and save. Okay, now what you have done, you have created a database and you have filled in the configuration part, right? Let's go on to the DVWA now. So you want to say localhost/DVWA. Just press enter and you will see the DVWA login screen. The username is admin, ADMIN. The password is password in lowercase, PASSWORD. And here is the DVWA setup. So in setup check, it says that PHP function allow URL include is disabled. So we will enable it. and reCAPTCHA key is missing, right? Now we really don't want to learn the reCAPTCHA vulnerabilities, so that's why it's fine, we can leave it missing. We can add it later in the configuration file whenever needed, but that's something out of scope of this course, so I will not fix this one. However, we will be fixing this one, allow URL include, right? How do you do that? You want to go in the Apache configurations. This is Apache, this is configuration, you want to say PHP ini, right? This one, PHP ini. Here, let's find allow URL include. I believe this should be enough. Allow URL fopen, that should also be on, and allow URL include, that should also be on, right? Let's just change it to on. That's done. So this is the setting for DVWA, but I would recommend one or two more tweaks. If you see here, you should see somewhere memory usage in this file. Just find the memory usage area. Yeah, here it is in the resource limit. Right over here in the resource limit, you will find the maximum RAM and memory usage, etc. So the line here is memory limit 128 megabytes. I would suggest to change it to 256. So here it is, 256. As well, there is the maximum input time. I would suggest to change it to 360. Okay, and that's all. So I believe there is nothing left. Let me just quickly check it for you. Yes, so that's all. You want to change the memory limit to 256 megabytes, and you want to change the maximum input time to 360 seconds, right? That was the thing I want you to do. That's a recommendation, not necessary. You already made the necessary part, which was the allow URL include. Now you also want to restart your Apache, so just click on stop and just click on start so that it reloads the PHP file again, right? Now it's loaded. Let's refresh this page and you will see it has been now enabled, right? We are not fixing the reCAPTCHA key because that's something out of the syllabus, and you can always add these keys in the configuration file later. Let's just click on create database. So let's see the stats, and database has been created and it actually redirected me automatically, right? It will redirect you to the login page. Again, the username is admin, password is password. Just click on login and here you go. So welcome to DVWA. These are all the famous vulnerabilities which you want to master, right? So I will continue this series in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.